Virtual DJ 2024 is loaded with some serious game-changing updates. And since our channel is all about helping you master this software, let's get down to business by breaking down the updates and trying out the new features. First up, Virtual DJ introduced a cloud solution that lets you ditch the local music library and store your music and playlists online. This is a personal favorite because it opens many possibilities, like collaborating with another DJ by sharing the same music library in the cloud. We'll be looking into this later in the video. The other updates include some improvements and fixes, like fuzzy key mixing and a new navigation bar, the part of Virtual DJ that deals with your library organization. But that's a topic for another video. Today, let's focus on the features that'll have you saying, "Damn!" And trust me, the cloud solution definitely fits that bill. I'll start by breaking down what it really is and how it actually works. Then we'll put it to the test before finally exploring the many ways you can use this feature. Basically, the cloud solution lets you ditch the whole local music library hassle, and instead, you can store your entire music folders on any of these 4 popular cloud drives. This means you can access your music from any device with Virtual DJ installed. No more lugging around massive hard drives or stressing about backups. We'll try this out in a second, but first, let's talk about something else the cloud solution also promises: three-way sync, which is when 2 or more computers are synchronized through the internet. Imagine you have Virtual DJ on your desktop and laptop. With three-way sync, when you add a song to your playlist on your desktop, it automatically gets added to your playlist on your laptop too, all thanks to the cloud. I have 2 computers with me that we'll use to try out this feature, but first things first, we need to link a cloud drive to Virtual DJ. On your navigation bar, under Online Music, there should be a new section called Cloud Drive. Click on it, then click on Connect. You'll now see the 4 compatible drives you can link, and in case you're wondering, this is how much free space you get with each of them. Feel free to choose any drive you prefer, but I'll be using Google Drive mainly because there have been some reports of queue point loss with other drives, so Google seems like a safe bet for most DJs. Now Virtual DJ will open your browser, and from here, you can pick a Google Drive to link. There's a video link in the description in case you don't know how to create a cloud drive. Now that we've linked the drive, let's upload one of my music folders. I'm also including songs with queue points to see if they stick around when we access them from another computer. You can upload an entire folder by simply right-clicking on it and selecting Sync to Cloud Drive. Now that the folder has uploaded, let's try accessing these files from a different computer. Here I am booting up Virtual DJ on this brand new laptop with no music library preloaded. I'll start by linking the same drive from my other computer by following the same procedure as before. And here it is, my entire music library, complete with all my hotkeys and labels. And the best part is, I don't have to download the songs. Instead, I can stream them directly from the drive. This is definitely a game changer for Virtual DJ users. Imagine forgetting your charger before a gig or something happens to your laptop. Now you can just borrow another laptop and after linking your drive, stream your entire music library straight from the cloud. That is some next level DJ flexibility. Plus, imagine collaborating with another DJ. You can both access the same music library from the same cloud drive, which is super convenient if you work as a team. Virtual DJ 2024 is packed with even more features, and we'll be diving deeper into them in future videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, keep practicing.